You're welcome once again on this channel. This video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix YouTube. You know, this app is no longer compatible with your device. Contact the developer for more information. So if you are finding it difficult to update or to download YouTube on your Play Store or your App Store, this is what you have to do. But before we start, please just tap on the subscribe button over here, tap on it, and you're going to see subscription added. Then after that, tap on it again, then you tap on all. So after doing this, you are done. So before we start, what you have to do is to go to Chrome. So tap on Chrome browser. So as you can see, tap on this browser. So if you are using an iOS device, you tap on what? Safari. So after tapping on this, you are going to be around this place. So you tap on the search bar to type in YouTube older version. So after typing the YouTube older version, you're going to see all this. So you can choose the ones that you like. But in this video, we are going to use APK Pure. So you tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do next is to just scroll to see more versions of YouTube. So as you can see, let me zoom in for you to see how this really works. So as you can see over here, all these are old versions of YouTube. So as you can see, we have 18.43.39, which was updated on the 3rd November 2023, and this one is also October 29th. Yeah, that's when it was updated. So you can just be checking, and we also have the storage over here. So this are the storage of these APKs. These are the storage. Did you get me? So when you're about to download it, you have to check your phone storage before downloading it. I also have a certain video in this video description. You can check it out to learn more about how to fix this issue. So when you scroll, you're going to see a lot of versions. So what you have to do is to check the storage. After that, you check the version of it before downloading it. So let's say if you have a phone that have enough storage, you can choose maybe this one. You tap on this one, then after that you tap on that close button, then you are going to see this. So when you come here, what you have to do is to tap on this one, the green button over here, which is the download APK. So just tap on this. So you tap on it like this, you're going to see this. So it's loading. So after loading, you're going to see this. Choose where to download. So we prefer to get this APK in our download folder, and this is also the APK file that we have. Do you get me? So if you don't want it to be in your download folder, then what you have to do is to tap on it. You tap on it, then you choose. Maybe you want to save it in your SD card, or if you want to save it still in your download section. With the download section is for your phone storage. You get me? So if you want to download this, just tap over here to download this APK app. So just tap on it like this, and you're going to see this. So when you see this, what you have to do is to tap on download anyway. So tap over here. So when you tap on it, you are going to see this information over here. So you tap on details, then it will bring you to where it's downloading it. So I don't want this on my phone, so I have to cancel it. So after it's being downloaded, you are going to see it like this. Do you get me? Yeah, you're going to see it like this, then you tap on it. So when you tap on it, you're going to see this. When you tap on it and you see this, just tap on this section just once, or you can also just tap over here, but I prefer tapping on this. Yeah, so when you tap on it, you're going to see it installed on your device. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and this is how to fix YouTube app is not compatible for your device. See you in my next one. Bye.